How's everybody doing today? Jeff from Matthews Firewood. Today I'm going to be running some wood through the processor, getting on my truck so I can get it stacked up over here, get it drying for next year. It's pretty clean, straight wood. There's a couple naughty gnarly ones here. That little beech here is a crooked one, but it's pretty much good, clean wood. It should run through pretty fast, pretty easy. And I'm going to run that through today and get that stacked. And then I want to work on getting this done over here, getting that cleaned up, because they're actually talking about the big S word for, I believe, Tuesday. A mix of snow and rain. So I just want to get that cleaned up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be running the Hudson Brute EXT processor. And actually, while I'm right here, I did get another sticker in outside with Shibe, so thank you, Shibe. And he actually sent me two, but it's raining, well, not raining now, but it's pretty wet, so I didn't want to put the sticker on the side of the truck. There's my other stickers here. Bunch of great guys. Check out the channels. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run it up, get it on the truck, and pile it off the truck. So let's get things started up here. That warm up for a few minutes. And our conveyor that I got there, that's also a Hudson conveyor. Same place where I got the processor from. And I've had that for 3 years now, and that machine still starts first pull every time. A little Briggs & Stratton motor on it, which is kind of a good thing. I don't like when stuff don't start. It's hard starting. But that one does good. So I'll let that warm up and we'll get at it. here, there is a piece of metal right down inside there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's probably a piece of barbed wire fence. So I will get this chain changed out and we'll get back on it again. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna change this out here. I gotta loosen up these two bolts, two nuts I mean, and pull off this square block right here, this oiler. And first, I'm gonna take the air gun, clean it out, and get all the junk out of there. While I'm at it, let me go, I'll show you something here. On my compressor, I have a compressor here in my building, and I don't know, I use the high flow air valves. Let me see if I can set these down here so you can get a better view of them. I don't know if you can see the difference in those holes there, and those two, but this high flow one right here, there is a big difference of these two. You can just about put the insert from this one inside the hole of that high flow. And what I like about the ends, it's a quick release. All you do is push that green button and it slides right off, nice and easy. So if you're not using the high flows, you should check them out. I got these ones here from Mac Tools. A friend of mine has a garage, so he orders them for me. And it's that easy. There's no nice and easy fix. So let's get this cleaned off here. Whoop, there we go. And I already got rid of that log. It did have wire or a bunch of nails in it, I don't know. I threw it down in the junk pile. And this is just a standard 3/4 inch socket to go in there. It is easy access. They did have a plate on here, as you can see. There was a plate, but I took the plate off. I'm the only one that comes in here, so, and I know not to stick my hands inside a moving chain, so anybody usually comes in to watch, they stay back anyways. And this is the oiler. There's the oil port. I can adjust the oil right here, and you probably can't see it, but it's just about turned off. This thing does not use a lot of oil. It actually has a valve. I'll show you. It has an oil pump on the back side. So the only time you pull the handle to activate it, this pump right here will kick on. And I've only used about 2 inches of oil and probably 3 log truckloads of firewood, which is average 8 cords on a log truckload, 8 full cords. So this thing does not use a lot of oil. You pull your chain off. And it didn't do too much damage on the chain, but I can file that out, I do believe. If not, I got plenty more chains. And this is all my used chains up here that I have to get sharpened. I think there's 8. I have 9 chains total. This is my last sharp one right here, so I'm going to throw that one on. But first, I'm going to look at the bar, see how the bar's doing, see if I need to flip it. As you can see, they get a lot of wear on a processor in one spot because the wood stays right in the center. And I don't feel any burrs on there, so this one's doing good. I'll just clean this stuff off here. Make sure the oil ports are clean. blow this out again. And I'm going to flip the bar over this time. Every time I change the chain out, I flip the bar. Stick another chain on. Sorry if I was in the way of the camera right there, but it's kind of a tight spot. Stick your oil back in. I just got to snug these bolts just a little bit where I put tension on it. Just get the bar a little bit, the chain a little bit tighter here. I ain't got too much pressure right now, I'm just holding that bar up. And you take a bar, just a regular punch bar, and you stick it right up here. There's a hole right here. I used to have a regular adjuster like a chainsaw, but it didn't work very well. This way works easier. And just get that up as tight as you can. On a processor, you want to have a really tight chain. Just tighten them down, then we're back in action. I'll show you. We'll see if you can get in there. It has a regular standard sprocket. Well, it fits over a shaft, so it ain't a standard, but it receives a regular 3/8 chain. But see how tight this chain is here? There is no slack for me trying to pull it out, very little. But it is a standard 3/8 chain. So while that's on, we're going to get back doing some wood. Okay, so the deck is empty. Got a little bit right here to throw on the back of the truck, but as you can see, my truck is full, and it did start raining again. It's actually right up into the chute. If I go forward, that'll fall out. So the length of time I made this video, I had a breakdown and put a half a quart on the truck. So I hope you liked the video, and tell a friend, subscribe, and have a good day.